In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coaching session on Podia. Whether you're a seasoned coach or just starting out, setting up a coaching session on Podia is a straightforward process that allows you to effectively connect with your audience. Let's walk through the steps together to get your coaching session up and running. First, you'll need to log into your Podia account and navigate to your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a list of options. Click on the one labeled Products. This section is where you manage all the offerings you have for your clients, from courses to coaching sessions. Next, you'll need to create a new product. To do this, simply click on the New Product button. This is where you can begin customizing your coaching session to fit your unique style and content. You'll be prompted to enter the name of your coaching session. Think about what will grab your audience's attention and clearly convey the purpose of your session. Once you've settled on a name, type it in. After naming your session, you'll need to specify the type of product you're creating. In this case, you'll select Course. This might seem a bit confusing since you're creating a coaching session, but Podia categorizes coaching sessions under courses. It's a flexible setup that allows you to include various types of content and interaction with your audience. With the product type selected, go ahead and click on Create Product. This action will take you to the product setup area where you can start customizing your coaching session. Here's where you can really make your coaching session shine by adding details such as descriptions, pricing, and any additional content you plan to share with your clients. Now it's time to set up your coaching session. This part is crucial as it involves defining the structure and content of your session. Consider what topics you'll cover, how you'll engage with your clients, and any materials or resources you want to include. Podia provides a user-friendly interface, so take advantage of features like adding lessons, uploading files, and setting up communication options to enhance your coaching offering. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a coaching session on Podia. Remember, the key to a successful coaching session is clarity and engagement, so make sure your content is well-structured and interactive. By following these steps, you're well on your way to delivering impactful coaching sessions to your audience. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you all the best with your coaching journey on Podia.